Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to change bullet point color in Mailchimp. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Mailchimp, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Mailchimp website editor, I'm just going to input a bullets right here. So I'm just going to click this button that says bullets, and as you can see, I can insert bullet if I want, and if I click enter and type text, the bullet will appear. And if I want to change the color of the bullet, I can just remove the text first and click this button right here on the tab. It says text color, and I can change the color of the text I want, and it also changed the bullet points color. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can change bullet point colors on Mailchimp. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.